we are going to just touch base with you guys real quick. This is...
You said touch.
Touch you? It's not a new video. This is just an update to the video that we put out the other day.
Which is called?
I have no idea. Anyway, we just want to give you guys some updates that we found out after the fact. You know, don't do what we do. You should have found out before, but anyway, we just roll. So, did you guys, it's Thursday, did you guys see the trickery Mother Nature's doing? 75 degrees today, the windows are open in the house. Saturday we have Gavin's first lacrosse game against Central Catholic, and it's going to be 36 and snowing.
Go Glen Oak.
So, anyway, let's get on to it. We have a couple updates for you guys. Let's talk about Seneca.
So the three we're going to talk about is Seneca, Tappan, and Wolf Run.
Yes.
So Seneca Lake, it's part of the Muskingum watershed. What we found out was, if you watch our last video with all the new sections and everything, none of the new sections will be available to reserve until 2021. That's why it doesn't look like it's close. The new sections that are done, those are all for the seasonal people.
Yes.
So you can... Go ahead.
You can still reserve, but you got to stay in the old section. That's campground number 1.
And I think the old section is, if I'm looking right on this map, I think it's like 374 and below, maybe?
We're not sure.
Yeah, I don't know about that, if I'm right.
Yeah.
But, okay.
Tappan.
Tappan. Okay, so Tappan's a little more difficult because they have camp area 1, 2, 3, 4, and now they have area E.
Yes.
Why don't they just call it 5?
I don't know.
So, the way this works is camp area E is new, and it's about done. You cannot reserve that until April or May. They do have some of their permanent people in that section because camp area 1 is totally, that's the area when we're pulling in the long road and the fences beside us. To the right of us, that's camp area 1. That's, I think, going to be permanent. Camp area 2 is done, but that, if I'm not correct here, somebody comment. Camp area 2 is completely done also, but I think the lady told me that that's only going to be their seasonals. You can still camp at Tappan now. You have to camp in the old section. So that's Tappan.
Wolf Run is not slated for any updates. The only update that they can tell us is that they updated the restrooms or bathhouse, shower house, whatever it is, by the beach. No other renovations, no other updates are planned for that park. So.
Not even, I said, what about paving? And she said, no, that would be on here also. So,
no updates. Paving. No updates. So we've had comments about Wolf Run. If you guys love it, great. So anyway, we just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know what we found out.
What we do want to do is just... Mostly we want to make you guys laugh. That's why we do these videos, just to take you on the adventure and make you laugh or smile or whatever. But we've decided we probably should throw in some content that means something. So some of the content we're going to do is we're going to review parks more in detail, because sometimes you just get the basic info, maybe a drone shot, and hey, this is a good site and that's it. But people, maybe if they're driving 2-3 hours, they want to know a little bit more before they get there. That's why we go in the wintertime and check these places out that are further away, because what else are you going to do in the wintertime?
Dream about camping.
Dream about camping. So, that's what we're doing. We're not trying to be snooty or whatever. We're just letting you know. You know, it's not a nicely paved park. The campsites are like this. Those are the things that a lot of people get there, and then they're like, I didn't even bring enough leveling blocks to even camp here. What am I going to do?
Right.
So, those are the type of things we're trying to do with this new part of our video for 2019.
That's right. So, we're going to get out of here, you guys.
Yeah.
Just remember, the only thing better about a campfire are the memories you make around it. Hello.
Hello.
On to why we brought you guys here.
Yeah. We'll have to cut that out.
I thought you were going to sneeze.
No, I was like, I tried to catch my breath. Okay.
I'm just going to start over. Can you zip it now?
Go ahead.
All right, so the
and
third...
3, 2, What?
The third park we're going to talk about, we
Look at
mentioned.
that paper flying down the street. Sorry. I get distracted easy. Very easy.
Anyway,
ODNR.
in Columbus, and asked them about Wolf Run.
Here's what I said.
Oh, come on!